Today we are going to start third lesson. The lesson name is types of software. Firstly, what is software? A set of instruction which performs a specific task is called the program. A collection of the computer programs that provides the instruction to a computer like what to do, how to do is known as the software. Software can be classified into the two categories: system software and the application software. Firstly, system softwares. A system software acts as the interface between the user and the computer. Some of the function it performs to read data from the input devices, to transmit the processed information to the output device, and check the working of all the peripheral devices. A system software can be further classified into the following categories. First one is operating system. The operating system acts as an interface. The operating system interprets the instructions given by the user with the help of the operating system. Operating system acts as the central coordinator between the hardware and the software. Operating system is classified into the GUI and the CUI. GUI stands for the graphic user interface. This operating system is the graphic based. Windows is the best example of the GUI. CUI stands for the character user interface. In this type of the operating system require you to type the command. MS-DOS is example of the CUI. Second system software is language processor. The programmers use a high level language to write the programs. These codes need to be transmitted or are translated into the binary code which a computer understands. This is done by the language processor. The various language processor are assembler, interpreter, compiler. Third system software is device driver. These are the special programs which control the execution of the particular hardware device. For example, a printer, we need to install the printer software with an installation disk. Fourth one system software is utilities software. Utilities are the programs that supports the smooth functioning of the computer. Software utilities are the specially designed for the help of the end user. The main utility programs are file management. Backup is the process of recovering the data. System restore is the utility in the window to restore the computer's files. Compression is technique which is used to compress the files. Virus scanner or cleaner. A virus is the malicious program that replicate itself and makes the computer unreadable, unstable. The antivirus software are the computer programs to identify, prevent, and remove virus from the computer. Some popular antivirus programs are Norton, McAfee, AVG, Quick Hill, and Kaspersky. Encryption decryption tools. Encryption is the process of conversion of the data into the form of that cannot be easily understood by anyone. Encryption is primarily used for the defense services. It is even used in the civilian systems also, like online banking, e-commerce, mobile services, etc. On the other hand, decryption is the process of converting the encrypted data back into the original form. So students, if you have any query regarding this, you can WhatsApp me. Tomorrow we will do the application softwares. Thank you.